Jordan Garvey with Curare Physician Recruiting here to share with you what I consider to be the best hospitalist opportunity within 1 hour of Chicago. This employed position is only 46 miles from the Navy Pier in central-most Chicago, an easy drive of 55 minutes or less from most Chicago locations. You'll be practicing in the northwest corner of Indiana, one of the most physician-friendly states. The difference between Chicago and Indiana is very tangible in your annual compensation with this opportunity. The base salary is $220,000. That's an increase of $20 to $40K from what we see on average in the city. There are also quality and production bonuses available. The quality bonuses are another $25,000 per year and have to do with the length of stay and readmits. The production incentives are RVU based. They target 4,000 RVUs per year for their physicians, but they consistently hit 6,500 RVUs on average. You will earn $25 per RVU for anything over the 4,000 mark. That's an extra $62,500 per year. Hitting all these bonuses brings your annual compensation to $307,500. That is approaching the 90th percentile of MGMA, well above the nationwide 240,000 median. This is an employed position with one of the largest, most respected hospital systems in Indiana. Along with the high earnings, you'll also receive a sign-on bonus and relocation assistance. They have an excellent benefits package as well. There are also 18 days paid time off on top of the already 7-on, 7-off schedule, and 5 days for CME. I have personally recruited 4 physicians for this specific employer, and they've provided me with very positive feedback as to being employed by them. Now for the job details. You will be the 8th full-time hospitalist in this program. This position is due to growth. You can expect a daily census of 20 patients. Average admissions during the day shift are 10 to 12. You will attend codes and do central lines in emergency situations or sepsis only. They do have intensivists on hand that do most of the lines. The schedule is 7 on, 7 off, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Every provider rotates 1 week of nights evenly. So you'll have a week of 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. once every 8 weeks. This night shift is very casual, as they typically only have 4 patients per night, with 9 patients being the most they've ever experienced. They also have a room for the physician to rest and sleep to make this shift as easy as possible on their providers. The ideal candidate for this opportunity is Indiana licensed and available upon credentialing. However, they are most certainly considering candidates that are not Indiana licensed, as it is relatively one of the easier, quicker licenses to attain. Family medicine and internal medicine are both welcome to apply, and hospitalist or inpatient experience is preferred. They are not yet considering 2015 residency grads. They are also not able to sponsor a J-1 visa, but can consider H-1Bs if you are just transferring your visa from one employer to another. Thank you for taking the time to learn about this opportunity. If you'd like to be considered, please contact me today, as they are aggressively moving on candidates now. I can have you on the phone with them as early as today and on a site visit within the next week if you are indeed motivated to secure this great opportunity. I look forward to speaking with you soon. Thanks.